Generally, for most of my patients, I will prescribe a series of products. A medication that is used in the shower, a cleanser, is often recommended. I also usually give patients a morning cream, a nighttime cream, as well as a spot treatment. These are very important because they all do different things and they work together. I also highly recommend that our patients use a sunscreen. The sun is not your friend with regards to helping resolve some of the acne scarring, and we want to get rid of that so we can best help your acne scarring. My general recommendation for using the skincare products is, unless it has a retinoid in there, and we will discuss this later, but unless the product has a retinoid, all of the skincare products can be applied simultaneously together all over your face. For example, the morning cream and the sunscreen can both be put into your hands and applied all over the face at one time. In the evening, we like you to use both your nighttime cream, the prescription medication, but also a moisturizer. My favorite over-the-counter moisturizer for my acne patients is CeraVe PM. This is a very lightweight moisturizer that both girls and boys, men and women, enjoy on their skin. Finally, when you're using your spot treatment medication, I recommend that this goes on areas of acne scarring and or active acne. Specifically though, I would like you to avoid using this product too close to the corners of your mouth, nose, or eyes. It tends to produce too much irritation in those areas. Now, the medication that I use for spot treatment, and often the nighttime cream as well, can contain an ingredient called a retinoid. These comes in many different forms, have lots of different names, but the prescription retinoids that we include can have what's called an adjustment period on your skin, sometimes called the retinoid reaction. This reaction can cause an irritation or a dryness on your skin, a redness, a peeling, a flaking. This is all normal. And it is an adjustment that your skin will undergo before it actually will settle into the use of the product. Sometimes it can even make your acne look worse before it looks better. Now, as your skin adjusts, you can use it more frequently. So often I will have patients use the product 2 or 3 times a week is all, and then gradually work up to using it every night. It's very important to not give up on this product. Retinoids do amazing things for skin, including putting the acne into remission, as well as treating the scarring, the brown spots, and the enlarged pores that can often be a consequence of the acne.